Get ready to witness the untamed power of Mother Nature. In today's video, we're diving deep into the heart of the wild to uncover the most hair-raising encounters with the natural world. Welcome to a world where danger lurks around every corner. When the jungle is this thick, a jaguar could be right in front of you, and you wouldn't even know it until it was too late. The blissful innocence of youth does not mix well with the cold indifference of Mother Nature.
You gonna throw it for Raven? Throw it. Throw it. There you go. And she brings it back sometimes. Gosh, damn, that was a... How the... Asher? Gosh. He just went straight up, picked it up.
Maybe your cat didn't actually run away that one time. Maybe it crossed paths with a serpent looking for dinner.
This thing is huge. Ah!
As ruthless as nature can be, it's powerless against mankind's best defense, the belly rub. Of all the things you would expect to encounter stepping off an escalator, where does wild boar show up on the list? When you tell your kids at night before bedtime that there's no need to worry because there's no such thing as monsters, you know you're lying, right? There really are places on Earth where you actually have to check to see if there's a real monster under your bed. Sleep well. When faced with real danger, that's when you find out the truth about yourself. Are you the hero who saves the girl, or is it every man for himself? Honestly, how bad can you really feel when some idiot gets his comeuppance after doing something completely stupid? This is when the decision to pay extra for the reinforced extra strength windows really pays off. I've seen enough movies to know that if you find yourself in this situation, first of all, do not get out of the car, and secondly, start praying to your God for forgiveness. Most of us would just accept the fact that it wasn't our house anymore and find a new place to live. This is actually pretty smart. If you're camping in an unfortunate part of the world where these frighteningly numerous insects call home, just throw a bright light in a spare tent to get them away from the rest of the group. In case anyone needs a reminder where the boa constrictor gets the constrictor part of its name, here you go. Life in Florida is a constant battle between man and nature to see who really calls the shots in the Sunshine State.
Wow. Get back.
Hey, buddy.
In some countries, they eat snakes, so it's unclear if this snake is protesting being on the dinner menu or is an unwanted guest in the kitchen.
Not around here, partner. Not around here. Not around.
This is when the luckiest kitten met the hungriest, most disappointed hawk.
While they come in.
Hey, there's a long, almost invisible except for a series of menacing black spots, marine creature chilling in the shallow water. Who wants to go swimming? How fast can a paddleboarder paddle? Turns out it's pretty fast when properly motivated. Am I alone here? Whenever I see someone acting like this around a deadly wild animal, I always root for the animal. This is what happens when cousins, separated by millions of years of evolution, meet again after all that time. Bullfighting has seen a decline in recent years, with only Spain, France, Portugal, Mexico, Colombia, Venezuela, Peru, and Ecuador hosting the spectacle. Why? Because there are plenty more, less hazardous and foolish ways to make a living these days. Every year in the US, for between 10 to 15 unlucky people, this is the last sound they hear before they die.
sabe que a gente tem uma plantação de mandioca que meu pai fez bem aqui próximo. E
Congratulations, you made it all the way through. We hope we inspired a renewed respect for nature's raw power and not simply a bad case of the heebie-jeebies. Hit that like button, subscribe, and good luck trying to sleep tonight. See you next time.